a comment, guys. For those who are watching, guys, keep on watching. Asante sana. I'm here in Diani Beach. I'm just want to start vibing. Eston, how are you? Eston 53. How are you? Yeah, guys, keep on watching. I just want to start the vibe, guys. You know, I normally do it every day in the beach, guys. There's a vibe along the beach. Now there's a time now I want to start the vibe, guys. So don't move. Just be there. Because I want something very special. Today is a very special Saturday. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. It's Maka Mukenda. Now just winding up. Just winding. Yeah, same yeah. Yeah, now I'm here, guys. Keep on watching. For those who are watching, I'm here in Diani Beach. Remember the instrument is called nyatiti. Aksara. How are you, Aksara? You're feeling good. I want to start the vibe, guys. Yeah. Stian. How are you? Yeah, I'm from Kenya. Yeah, vibing from Kenya, guys. Yeah, we're friends. Are you fine? Yeah, from Africa. Yeah. guys. This guy by the name Stian. Stian has we were from Kenya, man. Kenya is in Africa, guys. Just watch out. So this guy normally stream every day. Vole vole. No worry in Africa, Omera. Guys, keep on watching. Yeah, just watch out. Watch out, man. Watch out. Yeah, this time I'm going to be insecure. Okay, yo que viene con que no hago. Okay, lo que viene con que lo so. Porque no me acabo no ninguém na wakadwa. Deixa uma acabo no. Just keep on watching.
kitu tuna subscribe bwana. Ngoje kesho. Ni free. Tuna contribute kwa income stream ya jamaa. Alioka kama. Nyati, andika vizuri. Ashani. Sampa. Inaitwa sawa, thanks. Yeah. Tuko na wao. Tuko na wewe lock ndani. Hata usianze. Hiyo umemaliza. Mwambie jina lako tu kipengoma. Haya. Umemaliza lakini ungechapia kidogo za kushikisha. Wachapie.
Haya simama bwana yawa. Makoro where you going? Yawa. Kwani kitu. Hey, niambia kisikisha hiki. Adoti anaitwa nani wewe? Huyu anaitwa Shali. Maana. Na wewe? Ako? Arenda. I have decided I see Charlie Mama, Charlie more beauty. Yeah, Agonga you are lucky, Agonga you are lucky, Jadana you are lucky. Oh, you Charlie Mama, Charlie more beauty. Zura in a west. You know Charlie was not born when yeah. The lady was created very early in the morning. What do you at this time? If you wanna be billionaire, Agonga, yeah. Stay with Charlie. If you wanna be billionaire, future Agonga, Baba, stay with Charlie. Charlie, the lady more beauty. Charlie was not born. The lady you guys. Let me tell you, you guys are gifted. Yeah. No, I'm not the first one listening to you, but I know. Wajunge umejenga magorofa. Jamaa amejenga magorofa. Hizo thank you, Agonga. Okay, let me send it. Omera. That's what. I'll take my name. Bana YouTube bwana wewe. Bana YouTube bwana. Hey, wewe. Wewe umejenga magorofa. Alafu kuna wewe leo. 7 na niko kwa YouTube. Nani? Maka Mugenda. Mano nini usani? Nyinga bineno ten mano kenu chieng. Mugenda. Adoka kama no boina. Don't go even watching. If you wanna be billionaire, and I say watch. What person in one wangi? Indeed. Chopo, mukuse odok ya. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. I just want to take you along the beach. Yeah, I want to take you to the ocean part. Yeah, guys, this is where you see this is a parking. Where by the time you come in the beach, you better park here, Mumera. Yeah, this is a place, guys. Keep on watching. Remember, it's Maka Mugenda. Yeah, Maka Mugenda, guys. Keep on watching this, how it is, guys. What do you see now? What's going on there? Yeah. don't leave because I remain with a few minutes to show you how beautiful is the beach. And now, Jokumani Kipesa. Now, guys, you can see how beautiful is the beach, guys. It's a very special evening, and now start the vibe. I'll be vibing along the beach. Niaje. Sawa. Just keep on watching. You see how the beautiful is the beach, guys. Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Continue watching, guys. Yeah, this is how it is. Maka Mugenda, M-A-K-S Mugenda. Maka Mugenda. Thanks. Guys, keep on watching. Yeah, this is how it is. Yeah, guys, I see you. Yeah, you saw me in Diani. When you saw me in Diani, there's no problem, Bwana. The problem is that you don't want to. Yeah, you don't want to come back, man. Just come back. Nobody does to come back. How it is, guys. Sasa madam mambo. Naitwa Mwaka bro, nafanya profession online, follow YouTube, subscribe. Jina inaitwa Mwaka Mugenda, M-A-K Mugenda. Thank you. Guys, keep on watching. Yeah, keep on watching. I just show you how beautiful it is. Yeah. Check Martin. Yeah. Check Martin, guys. Keep on watching.
Leo jua kuna watu kabidi uende kama mahali peke yako. Ujipigie kidogo hapo right.
Imefika hapo. Overa. That guys, keep on watching. Just keep on watching. That's how it is. All you're saying is how it is, guys. Yeah. Baba na jamaa wangu ambaye wanalalamika sana mwanangu. Wangu acha kulalamika. Uko sawa? I good. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Sejemo kopendi waje ni moko mame kama leo. But
naweza enda na mtu bwana. Ndio mchezo bwana. Ndio mchezo ni bwana.
Just continue watching. Up to the other side. Let me see. What I remain with now. Man, with a few minutes. Let's go. Beautiful is the beach. Remember, this young beach, this is how it is. Yeah, just keep on watching. My name is Mark Abugenda, and I normally do it every day. And also after this, I'm giving you a vibe. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. This is how the beautiful city guys. And also remember today I have 5. After 5 I'm giving you shots. Yeah, you see how dinner is, guys. So just keep on watching. Remember it's Mark Abugenda. And also put down your comment, guys. I know there's a lady by the name Shailan. Shailan we meet in Congo, Diani. Space MUTNDA. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, keep on watching. This is how it is, guys. You see how the beautiful city is, guys. There's a lot of people just chilling along the beach. Just watching how ken makajabu. Songo makang'ega kiwacho. Yathino rego kisongo bwana. Yeah. I'm very beautiful lady guys. Wait. The lady is killing the English opera. Wow. That's all we see now, guys. This is how it is, guys. This is what we do, guys, every day. And remember, also I'll be giving you a Bible, a small Bible here in the beach, guys. Remember, it's Makamugenda. I normally play instrument called nyatiti, guys. Nyatiti is an Luo instrument from western part of Kenya. Yeah, there's a song called Lortiji. Lortiji, that means you have to respect your job. Yeah, he say Luor mana tiji epinka Jokumano oro tich tinde jomadu duto to siepe mane wageno to moko kuom gi osetho. Yeah, Nitakumar Umar kweli baba. Yeah. Tomera. Pesa. Yakati walioko leka. Sanje baba. Obama nyakalaga jamana. Chuma seti mbona. Angeyo TV na kile lakini sata vile ema kwa. Don't worry about that thing. You'll be all right. Yeah. Also, there's a song, say Wawinjigiero. So there's a nice song, say Wawinjigiero. Yeah, Wawinjigiero. Wawinjigiero, there's a song who was played with a guy called Ayub Ogada. Yeah, it's called Wololoro Makusumu Baba. Murigana Arigido Oru Hero. Bro, have to just be consistent. Yeah? If you're lacking the patience, guys, now you are losing it. That's the key. That's the key of everything, guys. What I do, you have to be patient on there. The time you are losing that thing called patience. Yeah. Also, I'll be playing for you that song. Say Wawinjigiero. Wawinji Kodiero. That's a nice song. The guy by the name Ayub Ogada was the one who played the instrument, and also he was the guy was very active on that department, nigga. Yeah, so Wawinji Giyero. That means, yeah, Winjiri Gangare. That means Wawinji Giyero. Okay. Let me start. makosumu bati. Yeah. Wawinjigiro, wawinjigiro, wawinjigiro baba, wawinjigiro. Ololore makosumu baba, itimuriga naregido. Ololore makosumu bati. Yeah. Makosumu bati. Yeah. Wawinjigiro, wawinjigiro, wawinjigiro baba, wawinjigiro. Ololore makosumu baba, itimura kidogo. Ololore makosumu bati. Yeah. Wawinjigiro, wawinjigiro. Just doing sound check. 1, 2, 3, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. can't remember your name.
Oh, my name is Nafisa. So you sing me a song.
When?
Oh, maybe 4 months ago.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
I'm bringing my parents.
Okay. So I can't wait. You are going. You will be back.
Yes.
I'll play for you one song.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'll be waiting for you. Guys, keep on watching. Oh, well, I can play for one song.
Let's go.
I have decided to sing to Ivana. I have decided to sing to Ivana. Yeah. Last time I am waiting. I see Ivana.
Can you sing for Ioannis Kisavia? Ubi. Sema Ubi. Yeah.
Let me tell you, Kokala. Yeah. Let me tell you, Ubi. Hello.
Hey.
Ubi, you are lucky.
Hey.
You are lucky.
Hey.
Ubi, you are lucky. Mama Tutunga. Mama Tutunga. The lady more beauty.
Sing for Elena.
Hello. Why are you Elena?
You're still here. You're still here.
No. Sitaka for long.
Oh, yeah. Then you come back, I'll tip you. Ama wacha nikutip saa hii.
7:20.
Mwambie boti ni ngoja lakini 07
Bado iko time.
15 92 71. Hey, you are amazing. You're amazing. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
Okay. Sawa. Kent Mkunda. Thank you. Thank you. We love you. Wish I could hear more.
seaside, on the seaside. Yeah. I see there's a beautiful lady, Toto. Guys, my name is Mark. Go our YouTube channel in case you'll be online. Follow YouTube, subscribe. Guys, keep on watching. Yeah, keep on watching. You love. Karabe. I like you. Omera. Let me put down.